Good evening, everyone. I am Bhumi of class 10. We are going to giving the answer of oral test of science chapter life process.
And I am Centinaro and I will be doing the same.
Okay. So science questions. Okay. So आप लोगों ने क्या प्रिपेयर किया है साइंस में? अभी तक क्या पढ़ा है आपने?
For now we have learned the chapter life processes. We have learned modes of taking in nutrition.
Okay.
There are two types. There are autotrophic and heterotrophic.
Okay. So can you write on the board about the categorize of the nutrition of mode of nutrition? Naro, you have to explain about the autotrophic, and Bhumi, you have to about the heterotrophic. बच्चों आप लोग ऑब्जर्व करो, फीडबैक देने आपको ना, देखो आप सीखो, आप लोग कैसे करते हैं ये लोग, जैसे इनका जो परफेक्शन होता है, ठीक है, आप लोग सीखो. आप लोग बोलते भी जाओ, जो नाम लिख रहे हो बोलते भी जाओ. तो इन ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, ठीक है, तो आप लोगों ने जो लिखा है उसको आप एक्सप्लेन करो, जो टाइप्स ऑफ मोड है. हाँ,
I will be doing autotrophic. In autotrophic there are two types.
Okay.
Photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. Autotrophics are the species which can make their own food. They do their own making of energy. They do it through autotrophic are basically plants which can make their own food through they process the solar energy through chlorophyll. They have chloroplasts in their structures which helps them to synthesize the solar energy into chemical energy, and then that chemical energy is used as their food, and whatever extra there is left of the energy or the food, they store it as starch. So that is present in only plants.
Okay. Can you make the reactions of the photosynthesis? Okay. So photosynthesis जो process होती है, तो what is the कैसे बता सकते हैं? What is the raw material to need for the photosynthesis?
So in photosynthesis, the plant takes in water or carbon dioxide.
If you need, then you can add another slide.
And it turns into
Glucose,
starch, and it becomes into energy.
Okay.
So whenever there is extra glucose, starch, or energy, it gets stored inside the plants. For example, when there is daytime, so it makes photosynthesis occurs in the daytime because it needs sunlight. So the extra whatever is left, it utilizes that during night time.
ओके. सो ग्लूकोज जो आपका बना हुआ है, इसमें ग्लूकोज इसमें जो आप कह सकते हो, ग्लूकोज आई थिंक कार्बोहाइड्रेट ना, कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ द इन द प्लांट, अगर कह सकते हो इन द केस ऑफ प्लांट, ग्लूकोज इज स्टोरेज एज द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च, उसी को आप स्टार्च बोलते हो, ठीक है. तो जब आपका प्रोडक्ट जो बनेगा ग्लूकोज, देन एनर्जी जो निकलेगी आपकी, इट मीन्स की क्या होगा, अदर आपके CO2 आपके नहीं बनेंगे, O2 बनेगा और वाटर, यही चीज आपके बनते हैं ना, 3 प्रोडक्ट. ओके, इसके रिएक्शन आपको अच्छे से लर्न करने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है, केमिकल फॉर्मूले के साथ. ओके. सो ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, हाँ, व्हाट इज द कीमोसिंथेसिस, इसमें क्या होगा?
In chemosynthesis, there are minerals with iron and sulfate, which process.
Okay. So non-green plant, I think.
In non-green plants. because in photosynthesis it uses chloroplast and chlorophyll, and in chemosynthesis there is no chloroplast or chlorophyll, so it uses iodine and sulfate.
Okay, sulfur, not
sulfur.
sulfur. ठीक है, means कि in chemosynthesis process the bacteria mostly comes bacteria and non-green plants जो use for the chemosynthesis process, so use I think iron, sulfurs, it utilized to make their own foods. So आप कह सकते हो इसको chemosynthesis. Okay, so next heterotrophic nutrition. What is the heterotrophic nutrition? भूमि आपने ये बताया है तो आप एक्सप्लेन करो. ओके, हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. गेट लगा. So how many types of what is the heterotrophic nutrition?
So we are talking about heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition are the organisms which did not make their food own. They are dependent